Hello, Agile enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel, Software the Agile Way. In every video, I bring up a topic which will help you become a better Scrum Master and product owner. And I am on a mission to make you a market ready Agile professional. So, in today's topic, we will be discussing what are the skill set that hiring manager look for when they are interviewing for Scrum Master position, and some skill set are must have, some skill set are good to have, but some of the skill set are definitely not a priority for hiring manager. So what are those skill set? Let's deep dive and understand those. So let's talk about the must have skill set without which you can definitely not be able to qualify for scrum master role. The first and foremost is a very good deep understanding of Scrum framework. Agile and Scrum framework understanding is absolutely needed skill. And that means you need to know the entire Scrum framework, how different events are there, what are the artifacts are there, rules are involved, understanding of the definition done, understanding of the product owner role, what they do, what exactly how you collaborate, how you basically drive the changes in agile and scrum within the organization. All of those are necessary skill set, and for this I strongly recommend you to read scrum guide to begin with. But other behavioral skills that they often look for are something like conflict resolution skill set, how you uh, make sure that your team is constantly productive, because your ability to resolve conflicts timely manner will help bring productivity within the team. And that also brings up a very important skill set of coaching the team. Coaching the team also requires you to be able to listen to them, be empathetic to them, and more importantly, be able to lead and hold them accountable of the results that is happening. And of course, you will be involved in so many communications and meetings and discussions. Ability to facilitate in a manner which can bring up a constructive outcome from every meeting is absolute necessary skill set. And managing the stakeholders, knowing your stakeholder and then managing those, constantly updating them about the progress, what are the reports you can be aware of, and how you can keep them informed is absolutely needed in a scrum master job and hiring positions. But at the same time, you need to know the release management skill set also, how a particular piece of feature really goes into the production environment. So what are the typical release process a company follow? So these are some of the must have skill set that you should look for when you are preparing for scrum master jobs. But at the same time, you should also look for some good to have skill set. This is particularly helpful when you are looking for a senior position for scrum master role, something which is at a program manager kind of a level, where you need to be little bit more of technical, meaning you should be understanding how the system design works, what are the architecture, different type of architecture the product today have, right? Understand the customers, the business, be able to communicate with different other stakeholders who are like system architects, be able to communicate with people who are completely from business background and can speak to their language, right? And definitely, if you are aware of some of the tools like Jira, DevOps, it's a plus point if you are hands on and have done some kind of practice on these things. And of course, knowing scaled agile framework in today's environment is also important, in the sense that you can grow yourself to the next level of senior position as a scrum master. What are the skill set that are absolutely not really needed by the hiring manager are authoritative mindset, right? The way project managers used to drive waterfall projects in a very authoritative tone. I'm not saying that all project managers will be doing that way, but the entire process was designed with that mindset. So probably this is where you need to change your behavior of how you communicate, how you talk to your team, and be servant leader rather than be authoritative to them. And you don't really necessarily have to be hands on coding or programming, or have done a lot of testing and automation script and all of those stuff. While these are all good to have kind of skill set, I would probably not give a lot of weightage when hiring a scrum master role, because scrum master are not typically going to do a lot of coding or technical work. So that's our the skill set that you should probably be preparing yourself for when you are applying for scrum master position. I hope this quick guidance on what to prepare and what not to prepare, and stay focused on where you should, excel in Scrum Master position and job interviews. And I hope you will do really well in the coming interviews. Feel free to share this video and like, subscribe, so that you will get such more videos in coming videos and coming sessions also. Until then, see you soon. Goodbye.